So there is a lot of person that are still confused that which thing is actually haram in Islam or which thing is not allowed to listen when we talk about the music and the songs. So when you get some information about the songs or any type of music, so you'll see that song is a mixture of some things in which musical instruments, lyrics, and vocals are mainly involved. So when we talk about the musical instruments, that musical instruments is actually haram in Islam, or you can say that is not allowed to listen. In which piano, guitar, flute, or etc. These are the musical instruments, and that are totally haram in Islam, except daf, because daf is allowed to listen it. So after that, we will discuss about the lyrics. So when we talk about the lyrics in the song, so the lyrics that have the lust or the shirkiya words that are not allowed to listen, but the lyrics that do not have the lust words, so you can sing it or listen it without musical instruments. And after that, the vocals are allowed to listen it, because it you can say vocals are the sound that comes from the mouth, and it is allowed to listen it. So at the end, musical instruments is basically the haram, which is not allowed to listen. And there are some songs or pop music of today in which the musical instruments are involved, and there are some lust words or shirkiya words in add in songs, etc. And after that, there are many knots in which the shirkiya words are also used and musical instruments are used. So that type of knot is also not allowed. That type of songs are also not allowed. Knot are also not allowed in which shirkiya words and the musical instrument except the is used. So that is basically the thing that is not allowed when we talk about the music.